Hello, good morning everyone. This is Kanu Butani here, and today we are going to look into the uh, matrix that is showing which is called the confusion matrix, where we predict the positive and negative and what is the actual positive and negative. So we get four of the quadrants: true positive, true false positive, false negative, and true negative. So if you see here, this is it's called the confusion matrix. And in AI, when what is predicted and what actual the AI shows, based on that, if it is predicted as positive and if it shows positive, then it becomes true positive. If it predicts negative but it actually shows positive, which is called false negative. If we predict as positive but it actually shows negative, then it is false positive. And if it is predicted as negative and actual also it is negative, then we show true negative. So here what I have done, I have given each and every for every stage on or for every quadrant I have taken out I've written an example for that. So for true positive, the example is that if an AI spam filter correctly detects a spam email as spam and it is preventing it from reaching the inbox, then it ensuring accurate identification of malicious or unwanted content. So it will properly, if it is detecting spam filter and it gets into a spam and it is not reaching the inbox, so it is true positive. Then false positive means a facial recognition AI mistakenly flags an innocent person as a criminal match if it is wrongly if the person is innocent, which is positive, but it gives negative that he's a criminal match, then it will lead to a wrongful suspicion despite no actual connection to criminal activity. So the person will unnecessarily be caught as a criminal if even if he's an innocent person. So that will be a false positive from AI, that did not recognize it recognized innocent person as a criminal match. Then it's false negative. So we are predicting as negative, but it is actually giving positive result. So the cancer detection AI fails to identify a malignant tumor in the patient's scan, incorrectly labeling it as benign, delaying necessary treatment and intervention. So actually the tumor is there, but it is not predicting that tumor, so it is false negative. And the true negative is that when it is actually predicted as negative and actual also it is negative. So an AI medical diagnosis system correctly identifies a healthy patient as disease free, avoiding unnecessary treatment and ensuring accurate recognition of normal healthy conditions. So truly it is saying negative, since it is predicted also negative that he's a very disease-free person, and it is actually also the AI medical diagnosis system identifies it as a healthy person, healthy patient. So he's uh, getting avoided of the unnecessary treatment. Now the problem is here false positive and false negative. The false positive is also wrong if AI mistakenly flags thinks innocent person as a criminal, and in false negative if a cancer detection AI fails to detect something which is there. So if he says it's not there, so it is giving false negative. Okay. Actually, it is there, positive, but it is predicting as negative. So the tumor is actually there, but it is saying, no, it's not there. And the predicted is positive, that he's an innocent person, but actually it is predicting it is positive, that it is a criminal match, but actually it is not. He's an innocent person. So these are the four main examples. If you remember these, then you can actually understand that the prediction and the actual values should both match to give us a proper true positive and true negative results. So thank you very much. I hope you have got this as a very uh, useful video. We'll see you in next video. Thank you. Bye bye.